Hi, I'm Elitia, and I'm the co-founder of When Love Works. I founded When Love Works with my husband Cullen because we wished we had a platform like this when we were experiencing our challenges in relationships. Now Cullen and I are dedicated to arming you with the tools, practical real-life solutions, and support to create healthy relationships in your personal, your partnerships, and your professional development. We want you to be healthy. One of our signature workshop series, Her Toolbox, is focused on creating healthy relationships for women specifically. It's an immersive experience on how women show up and become transformative in every area of her life. We're excited to announce that this series will now be offered as a retreat and conference. Join us for the Show Up Retreat and Conference in Denver, Colorado on August 23rd through 26th. You will experience 4 days of relaxation and rejuvenation, 3 immersive workshops filled with customized tools, private chef-prepared meals, massages, meditation, yoni steam, and so much more. To learn more, visit our website, whenloveworks.com. See you in Denver.